So, Mr. Kitty needs to get out too, right? He waited all day long. So he's got to get his time in. Oh, look at the leaves. So pretty. Yay! I can't believe it. It's done. I feel like a truck driver. I feel like all I did was drive this week. And I know that a lot of people have to drive a really long way and then go to work all day and then drive back all day, you know. So I'm just not used to that. Oh, mister. Oh, he loves rolling around. He loves rolling around. Right, mister? Oh, you hear the birdies, the squirrels, everything? Mister. Oh, he feels like he's in the wild. Mr. Kitty. Mister. Our neighbor Pat came over and asked me if I wanted cookies to take in the house. And I'm sure somebody will eat them. We are pretty much on a health kick, but somebody will. And I just love how God does these beautiful gifts, you know. Like, before I get into that, though, I want to tell you that anytime I teach Mr. Kitty something, I say the word first, and then I say his name. So when Pat came out, I said, Pat, Mr. Kitty, Pat. And he was running over to her. He actually goes calling for her. Isn't that funny? He actually does. We go ring her bell. So she came out to ask me if I wanted cookies, and he was running over to her. It was so cute. You see Pat, mister? He's just chilling. He's just walking around, checking out the neighborhood. Yeah, this is the water that comes out of my basement, okay? Not fun to think about. Water, Mr. Kitty, water. So here are the cookies. Look at the cookies. They're so cute, right? So sweet. And I am, when somebody does that for us, I'm not just like, oh yeah, hey, thanks. No, that was really cool of you. Yeah. No, it's just like, Lord, because I see God in it. It's like, thank you so much, Lord, for giving us cookies. Like, that is so nice. Like, wow. Like, that's such a gift. Like, that he provides. You know, I know that she's the one that gave it to me, but God says that he will motivate people in your life to help you out. So thanks, Pat. Thank you, God. But also, too, I have a really cool story. So I guess Seth said when he was 14, I don't know if it was that long ago, but anyway, he would know. There was a guy who has his own company now, you know, because I guess you can branch out and start your own. And, you know, after he worked for a number of years for the solar company, what happened was he had said, when you're 18, give me a call. And, you know, I remember the guy coming to the house and he wanted to, you know, talk to me about Seth, and okay, he was too young, and in the last number of years. And today, talk about on time. All right. This guy, he wants Seth to work for him because Seth is a natural born salesman. He does not have to go to school for that at all. He knows everything. He knows who to go to sell it, what neighborhoods, what age group will buy it. You know, once he learns this particular thing, that was for when he was selling his own stuff. But anyway, he's in Dunkin' Donuts today working at the window. And this guy pulls up and he goes, you're that kid, right? It's the solar guy. Okay. And so he's gonna meet up with him tomorrow, and they're gonna go sit and talk somewhere, have coffee or something. And they are gonna talk about him working for him. And he was talking how much money he can make. I was like, what? I'm like, dude, can you just pay off my house? I love the fact that this is happening at the perfect time. It's helping me to calm down and go, okay, Lord, it'll be the right timing when you want it to be, because I really, 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 really want to work for this particular shared living company is it my hometown? No, it's the next town over. And actually their group home is 2 doors down this way for the disabled. I want to be a provider for having them come live here. So I just have to trust that God will get that going. It's just the perfect company for me. It's the perfect, whoops, careful, Mr. Kitty. It's the perfect income. It's the perfect rules that they go by. It's more relaxed than maybe others. And I don't know, it just seems like the right one, baby. Hear the acorns, mister? Hear the acorns falling down? Mister. Yeah, see, it's good exercise. The fresh air is good for him. He can hunt, without really hunting. He could eat the grass. That's good for his digestive system. It's good for him. What you doing, mister? What you doing? I'm gonna have to show you the craft that Sarah's working on. She actually did not have nausea this morning. A miracle. And she is doing very well. Occasionally throughout the day, she'll just be like, oh, I don't feel good right now. That's to be expected. And she's doing crafts right now. I love that. I love it. I love it.
Hey, don't
No. Look at what she made. Sarah made this. I gave her salmon. Is this like one whole fish thing?
Probably. No, a little less.
And she made salmon bites out of it? Are you kidding? Oh, I didn't even pray. Wow, that's nice, Sarah. Holy smokes. Mister. Oh, he was scared outside. We saw a truck and he was running.
This?
He was actually running.
In like loads of crap.
Look at my baby. Mister. He's traumatized. Don't bother him. Oh, the Mister. There was a truck outside and you got scared. Did you get scared of the truck and Mr. Kitty was walking really fast, like running? Did we see Pat outside? Did you see Pat? And then the truck came and Mr. Kitty got scared and Nana said, it's okay. It's okay. And then we went inside. Did we go inside, Mister? Mr. Kitty, you like leaning your head up against the books? Do you like laying up against the books, Mr. Mr. Kitty, oh, Mr. Kitty, oh, Mister, oh, Mr. Kitty, oh, Mr. Kitty, Kitty, oh, Mister, oh, Mister, oh, Mr. Kitty. Hey, where'd you go? Thanks a lot. All right, I'm not gonna end the night with just that. I wanted something sweet, and I thought, how about some buttery, cinnamony, ground cloves, some kind of apple pie spice, and some monk fruit, and walnuts and pecans. What's wrong with that? Look at that. Pretty good, right? I found some heavy whipping cream in the refrigerator. So you take that, put that in there with a little bit of sugar, and then you take your emulsifier, and we can even make this into oh my gosh, you can even make it into, you take some pumpkin pie puree and put just a little bit in there, not a lot. Like, oh my goodness, okay? I forgot to put a little vanilla in there, extract. It is so good. All right, we're rocking and we're rolling. And now I'm going to go sit on the couch and I'm not going to do anything but maybe just watch a movie and fall asleep. That's my goal for this night. Good night. So this is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to eat bad to have a good time. I'm just trying to say, I'm just trying to tell you, you don't have to. Don't believe the lie. Don't believe the lie. All right. Good night. Sleep tight. Pleasant dreams to you. Make a wish and a prayer that every dream come true. Until we meet again. Hey, Mr. Kitty. Adios. Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen. Good night.